Here, we're looking at an application problem. A new television costs $12,000. The value of the television decreases by 21% each year, so we have a decay function because we're decreasing. It says write an exponential decay model giving the television's value y in dollars after t years, and estimate the value after 2 years. Alright, so the initial amount is what the TV's worth. So that's 1,200. And the percent of decrease, which the rate is 21%. But rate, we're not going to put in percentage, we're going to put it in decimal form. So the model is, we're looking to our value, which is A times 1 minus R to the T. Okay, so now for this, we put in 1,200 for A, 1 minus R, which we need to be 0.21, and T is going to be our variable, however many years. Okay, and so then what we can do is go ahead and subtract the 1 minus that, so it's 0.79. So basically, every year our TV's worth 0.79 of what it was the year before. Alright, and so then that would be our equation here. Now if we put in 2 for this, basically we can plug this in, square this, and then multiply times this, we end up with $748.92. So after 2 years, our TV's approximately worth $750. Now that's if it decreases by 21%. Now, what I want you to do is go ahead and work the next example, and I'll put it up here and then bring it into class. Alright, so work this out and then bring it in, and this will be one of your first problems you need to do in order to do the retake assessment. Remember, these can be found in your note-taking guide, but what I want you to do is, for 1 through 6, just follow the directions, tell whether or not it's a growth or a decay for those. Alright, and then for 7 through 12, you're just matching them up to the graph. And you match up the function to the graph. Alright, and then 13 through 16, you're actually graphing the functions. And then I want you to, we'll talk about the end behavior and find the rate of change from -1 to 1. Alright, and this is similar to the last example we worked out, but once you complete 1 through 17 and bring it into class along with the problem with the number 3, you can reassess on the standards listed with this.